Hello, all. Welcome back to the Costa Rica series. On day 5, we did the Mistico Arenal Hanging Bridges of Costa Rica. We stayed at Arenal Roca Lodge, which is a rustic cabin lodge with all the modern facilities. This cabin had views of Arenal volcano in its backyard. The cabin was cozy and comfy and served the purpose very well. Since the property was located at close proximity to Mistico Hanging Bridges and Arenal National Park, it was very convenient for us to go up and down. This lodge also offered hot traditional or continental breakfast every day in the morning. Today we focused on Mistico Hanging Bridges. This is a cloud forest situated in La Fortuna area and is a very popular and iconic place for its hanging bridges. Hanging bridges in Mistico have bridges ranging from 10 feet to 320 feet off of the ground. The tallest bridge was 148 feet, and the aerial view from there was really beautiful. This park offers easy, paved paths with hanging bridges spanning the jungle gorges at several scenic points. We were able to complete the trails in about 2 to 3 hours very leisurely. As you walk on these bridges, you can actually see the forest at the bottom, and when you reach the center of the bridge, the view opens to full 360-degree canopy view, which is absolutely breathtaking. True to its name, it did have a misty, cloudy feel throughout the time that we were there, but it was very, very beautiful. As we explored, we appreciated a lot of wildlife in the forest while crossing the 15 bridges, 6 of which were actually hanging. After completing the Mistico Hanging Bridges Park, we went to a local soda and had few more casados and fresh fruit juices that they were offering. After having our lunch, we headed towards La Fortuna Waterfall, which is located in Alajuela. The waterfall is accessible by a 15-minute hike from the lookout, followed by a 45-minute swim in the two pools at the base of the waterfall. The return trek is 30 to 40 minutes up a 500 step staircase. Some say that the hike is manageable and that the staircases add to the refreshing swim, but we were able to do it maybe in 30-35 minutes. It was fun. So that's how we were able to complete the two destinations that we had planned for today, and looking forward for what we discover tomorrow. Pura vida.